SRFM stock analysis and SRFM stock prediction. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying the question? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that's taken 5 years out of its life, done 42,000 videos and documented all. Not only that, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. Especially with this thing, here's the top. We're sitting at 390, 391. How this double break will look like is it just needs to break for a second time above 392. And if it does not, then I simply do not care. You know what I mean? Like, obviously it's not going to be sitting forever. Like if the price starts crashing and doing some sort of weird stuff, then obviously I'm not going to do anything, but I'll keep you updated on SRFM. I have 2 results here. I mean, other than that, if you want to learn the stuff and have leverage, stuff that's taken me 5 years to learn, you learn it into 1-2 hours. Click the first link in the description. Get the leverage. 1,200 people have gotten it. It's risk-free. See you in the next one. Goodbye. First link in the description. Get the insight.